the taxation for the people in diaspora would fall into the category of either employment income, which is taxed worldwide, or business income. And business income is you have accrued or derived business income from Kenya. Now there is a different scenario where you find someone has a business which is partly operating in Kenya and partly operating outside Kenya. Now our law also requires that that business income ought to be taxed in Kenya. Yes, so generally then the taxes applicable would be taxes on employment income, which mainly we call personal income tax. Then you would have what we call taxes on business, that is corporate income tax, that is if you have a business in Kenya. Or you would also have what we call capital gains tax, that is if you hold any properties in Kenya which you transfer in a year of income, then you'd pay what we call capital gains tax. And I think I had elaborated a lot on the issue of the withholding tax. There is also digital services tax, where then you're trading through any digital platform. And I think basically that's about it. Corporate income tax could also, it's very general, but there are three general categories of it. There's the corporate income tax, where you pay 30% of your income at the end of the year, of course paid depending on the provisions of the law in 4 installments. But people with smaller businesses would pay what we call turnover tax, which is a really simplified regime for people with turnovers of between 1 million and 25 million. But there's also what we call monthly rental income. It's also a simplified regime where if you have a property in Kenya and you're earning rental income and you're Kenyan resident, then you can register for the simplified monthly rental income, which you can pay. It has been 10%, but now it's been reduced to 7.5, commencing 1st of January 2024. So that is payable monthly, again for people with turnover of less than 15 million for rental income. So those are generally the main tax obligations.